Little storyteller.
Zorp. A friendly purple alien with big, curious eyes and 3 wiggly antennae bounced with excitement. The Great Galactic Bake-Off was today. His spaceship, the Sparkle Snail, was parked outside the enormous rainbow-colored space dome where the contest was held. Inside, other alien bakers bustled around tables filled with strange and wonderful ingredients. Zorp wanted to make Earth cookies, the kind his pen pal Lily had told him about. He carefully laid out his ingredients: flour from the Whispering Wheat Planet, sugar from the glimmering caves of Crystalia, and a container labeled Earth Butter. But oh dear, in his haste, Zorp had grabbed a tub of moon cheese, which looked surprisingly similar to butter but was light and crumbly like moon dust. Zorp mixed and stirred, but the dough felt strange and airy. When he baked the cookies, they puffed up into light, bubbly shapes instead of staying flat and round. They looked nothing like Earth cookies. Zorp's antenna drooped a little. Just then, a kind-looking judge with fuzzy green fur and 4 gentle eyes approached his table. "What interesting treats you have here," she chirped, her voice like tinkling bells. Zorp explained his mistake, feeling a bit silly. The judge smiled. "Moon cheese, you say? How wonderfully inventive. May I try one?" The judge took a bite. Her eyes widened. "These are extraordinary. They're light and airy, with a delicate cheesy sweetness. A truly unique creation." Soon other judges and bakers were curious too. They tasted Zorp's accidental moon puff cookies and loved them. Zorp's antennae wiggled with joy. He had made a mistake, but it turned into something wonderful. Later, as the bake-off ended, the fuzzy green judge announced, "And the winner for the most surprisingly delicious treat is Zorp." Confetti rained down, and Zorp beamed. He learned that even mistakes can lead to something new and exciting. Just like how the moon, which is made of rock and dust, can sometimes look like cheese from far away, our mistakes can sometimes have sweet surprises hidden inside.
Please subscribe. Thank you.